Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing an AirPods Pro unboxing. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Adebisi. I do tech and lifestyle videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Unboxing videos can be a little bit boring, and I don't know, people really like seeing them, so I just kind of do them. But you know, I don't know. Okay, so I opened it up. We have this so far. This is what we have, taken off the plastic. These feel heavy. Okay, cool. I'm always scared to use scissors to like open up, I don't know what else you would use, but to open up the plastic because, oh shoot, I'm an idiot. So it actually has a little pull tab. Wow. Crazy. Apple thinks of everything. Okay. AirPods Pro wireless charging case. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. And then I'm pretty sure it says designed by Apple in California. Yup. OG. And there we have it. Okay, so that's the little AirPods. And then it comes with, that wasn't anything. I don't know why I said it I don't know why I just showed you guys that. Like, am I okay? Anyways, it comes with a, oh shoot, this is a lightning to USB-C. So it comes with that. And then it has, oh, these are the little, I was like trying to see what that little sign was saying, but it's the little ear things that go in your ear. I forgot what it was called in the last video, and I still forgot what it was called again. But it has two different sizes, it looks like, so you can open those up too. So it has that. So this is going to be so much better for me because if you guys watched my other video, you know that homegirl struggled with having AirPods fit her ear because I don't know if they just felt a little bit too big for my ear. So hopefully these help out with that. And that is all that's in the box. Okay, so let's peel off this plastic together. I guess from this side. Comes out of the sleeve. Bam. Okay, sick. Oh, and it already comes with some on. Okay, so it has 3 different options for sizes for ears, and I'm assuming this is like the medium size. But yeah, this is what they look like. Unboxing videos are super anti-climatic, but you know, people love seeing them, so I'm giving the people what they want. So hopefully these work for me. If you guys watch my other video, you know that I had a struggle with a Bluetooth connectivity issue with the AirPods, which is the main reason, beside them not really fitting my ears, but the main reason why I really just wasn't a big fan of them. But basically when I was on phone calls, no one could ever hear me, so hopefully I don't have an issue with these ones. But these are actually pretty cool. I guess I can put them in my ear. Okay, cool. Whoa. I don't know if they're already like noise canceling, but I couldn't hear anything. But I'm pretty sure I had to turn that setting on. That was weird. Y'all, let's test them out together. So we are connecting them. Okay, so now I think it's actually already noise canceled because I sound like a robot. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna refit the little tips to my ear. Let's just play a song. Okay, you have to like take these out to talk to people, but holy crap, those are great. Wow. Okay, I'm actually really shocked. I didn't think there was gonna be like such a big difference in the sound quality, but wow, that's actually really good. I'm gonna probably play around with these off camera, but hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing that unboxing. If you guys want to see me do a review or like a versus video of the AirPods, first generation AirPods versus the AirPods Pro, let me know. Review videos don't ever do that well, so that's why I'm a little bit hesitant to do it, but if anyone wants to see that, I can totally film that. If you guys like this video, if you like me doing tech videos, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you have AirPods Pro yourself, let me know in the comments. Also give this video a like if you enjoyed this video, but I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.